A couple of years ago, there was a recall on this brand, Nature's Own. Now you know that's good bread. Here, today I'm showing you I made my own bread again. These are wheat bread. 6 hamburger wheat buns and 2 loaves. They're soft and delicious. Check out my recipe today and give it a chance. As a matter of fact, I'll be on live pretty soon showing you again how I made these soft, delicious, good bread. Try them out for yourself. Make your own. You know what you want in your bread. Use what you know. Stay healthy. Live long. Live a happy life with good food. Store-bought is not always the best way out. Maybe it is fastest, but it's up to you. Try this recipe, live longer, and I'll see you soon. God bless you.